Good morning, my dear students. Today we are discussing about plasma protein. So, what is the plasma protein definition? The proteins are presented in the plasma is known as plasma proteins. Proteins are presented in the plasma of blood. Plasma of blood is known as plasma proteins. So in plasma proteins, which type of proteins are presented in the plasma? In our body, a lot of proteins are presented in the body, but only three proteins are presented in the plasma. So that proteins is the one is the serum albumin, and the next one serum globulin, and the next one fibrinogen. Albumin, globulin, and fibrinogen. These three are the presented in the plasma. These proteins is known as a plasma proteins. So what is the normal values of the plasma proteins? What is the normal values? What is the normal values of the plasma proteins? So serum albumin normal range is 4.7 4.7 grams per deciliter, and the next one serum globulin normal range is 2.3 grams per deciliter, and fibrinogen percentage is normal range is 0.3 grams per deciliter. So what is the normal values of the serum albumin, serum globulin, and fibrinogen? Serum albumin is 4.7 grams per deciliter, and the next one serum globulin is 2.3 grams per deciliter. Fibrinogen is 0.3 grams per deciliter. So what is the total proteins are presented in the plasma? So total proteins. What is the total proteins of the plasma? So 4.7 plus 2.3 total 7, and here the 0.3 is total percentage is the 7.3 grams per deciliter. This is the normal range of the total proteins presented in the plasma. So the normal range is exactly 7.3. So what is the normal range? 6.4 grams per deciliter to 8.3 grams per deciliter. 8.3 grams per deciliter. So this is the normal values of the plasma proteins. So the plasma proteins, how to separate the plasma proteins? So separation of plasma proteins. How to separation of the plasma protein? By the different methods. First one method is a precipitating method, PPT, precipitate method, and the second one is a salting out method, and the third one is known as electrophoretic method. And the next one, fourth one is electrophoretic method. Fourth one is ultracentrifugation method. And the next one, fifth one is a gel filtration chromatography. And etc. methods are involved in the separation of the plasma proteins in the body. So the next one, what is the molecular weight of the plasma proteins? So molecular weight of plasma proteins. What is the molecular weight of the plasma proteins? Albumin molecular weight is 69,000. The next one, globulins is what is the molecular weight? 1,56,000. Fibrinogen exactly 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs molecular weight of the particular plasma proteins. So the next one, what is the functions of the plasma proteins? What is the functions of the plasma proteins? So it is mainly involved in the coagulation of the blood, means blood clotting factor. Is mainly involved in the coagulation of the role in coagulation of blood. Role in coagulation of blood. And the next one, second one is a role in defense mechanism of body. Role in defense mechanism of body. Mechanism action of body. And the next one, role in transport mechanism. Role in transport mechanism. And the next one, the role in the maintenance of the osmotic pressure of the blood. Maintain osmotic pressure of blood. And the next one, a role in production of the reserve proteins. Role as a reserve proteins. Role as a reserve proteins. And the next one, role in the regulation of the acid base balance. Regulation of acid base balance. The next one, maintenance of the viscosity of the blood. Maintain viscosity of blood. Maintain viscosity of blood. And the next one, role in erythrocyte sedimentation rate. ESR rate. Maintain ESR, erythrocyte sedimentation rate. So the next one, maintenance of the stability of RBC. Stability of RBC, red blood cells. So by the plasma proteins. So what is the plasma protein? The plasma proteins, the proteins are presented in the plasma, is known as the plasma proteins. So in the plasma we have the three types of proteins. One is albumin, globulin, fibrinogen. What is the normal values of the albumin, globulin, fibrinogen? Albumin is a 4.7 grams per deciliter, and the globulin is a 2.3 grams per deciliter. Fibrinogen is a 0.3 grams per deciliter. So total proteins is a 7.3 grams per deciliter. That's the exact value. So normal value between 6.4 to 8.3 grams per deciliter. And the next one, how to separation of the plasma proteins by this method. And the next one, what is the molecular weight and what is the functions of the plasma proteins. So this is about the plasma proteins. So if you have any doubts, tomorrow we will discuss.